Goals are good for planning your progress, while systems are good for actually making progress. That's by James Clear. It's beautiful and wonderful to think about our goals, but now we need to bring them into reality and set intentions and well-planned action. Wait, Raylan, you only gave us 16 goals. Correct. I am using the last goal as an example on how to create systems. Or you just forgot. Goal number 17, create 12 small finance habits you can easily accomplish by the end of the year. This is best for the creative types who want to try new things frequently, and it will also take a little bit more planning. Using the goal that you wrote down or have in your head, let's create a system. Step number 1, make it obvious. So we want our goal to be specific. Therefore, we will write down one small finance habit by 5 p.m. Sunday for the following month. We will accomplish each habit by 5 p.m. Sunday each week. This could also mean that we use our environment to make our goal more visible. So we can use a beautiful poster that we can hang on our bedroom wall, so when we wake up in the morning, we can focus on that one goal. According to Dr. Gail Matthews, 76% of people who create a system and visually see their goals achieve them. Step number 2, make it attractive. Finance can seem boring and daunting unless you're like me. Excel spreadsheet party. So to make it more attractive, we have our finance habit and we link that with something we actually enjoy. So let's say I want to invest $5 weekly. I can link that with watching Netflix. Who doesn't love watching Wednesday on Wednesdays? Step number 3, make it easy. Turn your goal into the simplest and least scary dream of yours. For example, we have those big, scary yearly goals that we can break down into weekly and monthly to make it more attainable and fun. Instead of feeling worried about creating 12 strong financial habits for the year, focus on adding $5 per week to your investment portfolio, or more depending on how much TV you watch. The best part is this will count as progress and habit number 1 for your yearly goal. Step number 4, make it satisfying. Reward yourself. According to Cornell researchers, people who receive immediate, frequent rewards for completing small tasks reported more interest and enjoyment in doing the task than those who don't. So right after the $5 I invested, I will do absolutely nothing for 15 minutes. That sounds wonderful. So now that you have your goal and your action plan, you will be unstoppable for 2024.